Hello, nice to see you again. Today I'm meeting up with my friends. Do you want to join us? They're waiting for me in this pub. Let's go in and have a drink with them. We are chatting and catching up on our latest news. Come and join us. Would you like a drink? Now we are having a game of snooker. Can you play snooker? It's not easy, but very funny. Also, it is usual to play darts in a pub. Can you play darts? It's fun too. Now we are going to go to the bowling alley and we are going to have a hamburger there. Would you like to come? We are having so much fun. Are you enjoying your time with us? Do you go bowling? Well, as they say, all good things must come to an end. Thank you for joining us. Bye! Well, it was a fun day, wasn't it? Just for you to understand, have a look at the verbs we use in these expressions. If we are talking about a competitive sport, we use the verb play. However, if we are talking about a competitive game of something, we use the verb go. For example, to play basketball or play football. However, we would say go trekking or go running. Do you see the difference? Go back and have a look in the video how I used them. Oh, time flies. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.